Hello, little linguists. Today we have a fun guessing game. I will show you a small part of an animal, and you have to guess what it is. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at these bright, colorful wings. They flutter in the air. What animal do you think this is? It's a butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet. Isn't that funny?
蝴蝶，蝴蝶，
Oh, look at this. A soft, tiny paw. Who could this be? It's a cat. Did you know cats can make over 100 different sounds?
猫，猫，
Wow, these look like branches, but they're not. Which animal has these? It's a deer. Male deer grow antlers every year and shed them in winter.
鹿，鹿，
Ooh, look at these feet. They help this animal jump and swim. What is it? It's a frog. Frogs don't drink water. They absorb it through their skin.
青蛙，青蛙，
Wow, this fur looks so thick and golden. Who could this be? It's a lion. Male lions have big, bushy manes to show their strength.
狮子，狮子，
This tiny nose is so cute. Who has a nose like this? It's a mouse. Mice can fit through holes as small as a pencil.
老鼠，老鼠，
Look at this bright, curved beak. Who do you think it belongs to? It's a parrot. Parrots can copy human words and sounds.
鹦鹉，鹦鹉，
This tail is round and curly. What animal has a tail like this? It's a pig. Did you know pigs are smarter than dogs?
猪，猪，
Who is furry and loves the cold? Who could it be? It's a polar bear. Their fur looks white, but it's actually clear.
北极熊，北极熊，
So soft and fluffy. Who could this belong to? It's a sheep. Sheep have great memories and can recognize faces.
绵羊，绵羊，
Wow, these scales are shiny and long. Who could it be? It's a snake. Snakes smell with their tongues.
蛇，蛇，
Look at these bold, black stripes. What animal could this be? It's a tiger. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern.
老虎，老虎，
Wow. You did an amazing job guessing all the animals. How many did you get right? Not only did we play a fun guessing game, but we also learned cool facts about each animal and their names in Chinese. Isn't that awesome? Want to keep playing and learning? Check out our other fun videos for more guessing games, animal facts, and bilingual learning. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.